Welcome! In front of me I have new Balance RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You can tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by this icon right here at the top of your watch face. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon again. And this icon will disappear from here. That means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.